Imagine opening your phone and seeing this. Your Google account is locked. No emails, no documents, no access to important alerts. This happens to people every single day, and it usually starts with one small security gap. In the next 5 minutes, with no tech skills needed, I'll show you how to fully secure your Gmail step by step. By the end, your account will be locked down properly. Don't skip anything. Even one misstep can leave your Gmail exposed. Alright, let's start. Your password is the first and most important lock. Unfortunately, most people still use passwords that are easy to crack. Short phrases, patterns, or personal info. Automated tools can break those fast. So first, we're fixing your password. Open the Gmail app. Tap your profile photo in the top right. Select Manage your Google account. This screen is critical. Watch closely here. Find Open Security and sign in. Scroll down and tap Password. Confirm it's you using your phone lock. Now create a strong password, at least 12 characters with capital letters, small letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid names or common words. Quick tip, using a trusted password manager makes this much easier and safer, especially if you don't want to remember long passwords. Type it again to confirm, then tap Change Password. Now here's where many people feel safe enough, but this is exactly where attacks still succeed. Two-step verification protects you even if your password is leaked. There are real cases where passwords were exposed online, but attackers still couldn't get in because this was enabled. On the security page, open two-step verification. Scroll down and turn it on and follow the setup using your phone or a trusted device. Pause here if needed, this step matters. Next is extra protection that many people skip. It may sound advanced, but it's optional and highly recommended. Set up passkeys and an authenticator app. These are more secure than text messages because hackers can't intercept them easily. Go to Passkeys and Security Keys and create a passkey. Then install the Google Authenticator app and link it. You can also generate backup codes, store them safely in case you ever lose your phone. Now pay attention, this next part is how many accounts are already compromised. Devices and browsers. Back on the security page, scroll to your devices and tap Manage Devices. Check every phone, laptop, and browser session listed. Not just devices, browsers matter too. If anything looks unfamiliar, sign it out immediately. That could be an old login someone is still using. Finally, let's clean up hidden risks, third-party apps. Many account takeovers happen because old apps still have access. Even in used quiz apps, file tools, or browser extensions can read your data. Go to third-party apps and services. Tap See All Connections. Look through the list carefully. If you don't actively use an app, remove its access right away. One forgotten app is enough to expose your account. At this point, your Gmail security is stronger than most people online. If this helped, tap like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. Before you go, one last thing. Even after doing all this, many people still reuse the same password on other sites. That's how accounts get breached again. If you completed every step, comment secured below. And in the next guide, I'll show how you can free up space on your phone fast, so make sure you don't miss that one.